Okay, good morning, sir.
Good morning, Sir Arnold.
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
so this time we are having an art workshop here at Art Bank, and our students are working on poster making. So actually, the theme for the poster is about National Teachers Month, and they are using pastel as their medium. So, yun po. Ongoing yung artworks nila, kaya kung titignan natin dito, they are having their poster making. Natapos na yung mga techniques na explain yung mga techniques na konti o yung
symbols.
yung symbols.
Symbols na ginagamit.
Andito na sila sa application sa workshop. So they are working on the theme National Teachers Month, based on the theme Together for Teachers, and they're trying to depict their artworks, how they will show their gratitude to their teachers for their role as in nurturing and developing the minds of the learners. So yun. So kanina na ikwan yung mga symbols
Na ginagamit.
So, oo, na ginagamit. So nakikita siguro, later on siguro makita yung mga ginagawa ng mga bata, how they show their gratitude to their teachers. Kaya medyo nakikita na yung parang may mga symbols like pens or gifts like flowers.
Kasi yung symbol, sir, doon sila makipag-communicate sa mga viewers.
Oo. Talagang dapat mai-relate nila yung gagamitin nila na symbol, mai-connect nila based on the theme. Kaya yon kanina
Pati yung mga feelings nila.
Kaya lumalabas siguro later on makita yung symbol na
Kaya nagiging thematic yung poster making, sir. Kasi gumagamit sila ng mga simbolo.
symbols. Kaya yun ang sinabi ko na importante yung medyo mai-convey nila yung message na using symbols. Kasi usually, yan ang pinapagawa sa school. Kung minsan may mga poster making sila.
Nag-i-start sila sa stick figure, then
Shades.
stylize, then shades. Forms and shades.
Gusto ko may angat kasi ito is grade 5. May grade 5, may grade 2. Kaya at least medyo mag-level up ng konti yung kanilang mga techniques using pastel, hindi lang yung parang flat. Ayan, magkuhan sila ng smudging, may technique na smudging.
May perspective.
Kaya hopefully mag-improve yung kanilang techniques, lalo na mga first time sila sa pastel and then yung meron din yung mga
Doon nila madi-discover kasi yung technique nila kagaya dito nakita ko
medyo may background na siya ng contest.
may background sa blending.
Pero yun, at least lumalabas, makikita natin siguro yung concept niya na yan, nurturing the minds, parang nakikita natin yan. So maganda yung lumalabas na concept.
Di bali madi-discover naman nila habang sila lumalaki ito di ba, sir?
So yun yung mga lalabas yung creativity.
During our time before, wala pang magturo sa atin. Ngayon, may magtuturo na sa atin.
Kaya mapalad sila na may mga free art lessons na ganito. May apply. They can apply later on in school. And then, mas maganda yung mayroon silang pinagkakaabalan kesa naka-cellphone.
Oo, tama. Busy mind.
Busy sila.
Okay, sir. Thank you.